Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Carmarthenshire Sports Personality Awards 2015. Carmarthenshire County Council Active Sport and Leisure is the sole organiser of this prestigious event.
It's important to get everybody involved, get them recognised, hard work, perseverance, and get us there in the end of the car.
To realise the hours and hours they put in to their various sports in the country, and to be recognised then by their own community.
Yeah, it was a good night to be fair. Everyone's looks like they put in a lot of hard work into it, so yeah, it's nice to be involved with it.
Everyone's loving it, great atmosphere.
Right, let's get this party started.
I'd like to thank Carmarthenshire County Council for their efforts and putting all of this together. The team that have done all the work from them has been really good.
An inspiring evening with so many wonderful stories to tell of everything that is best about Carmarthenshire sports. So congratulations to you all.
Carmarthenshire's Disabled Sportswoman of the Year for 2015 is Ffion Edwards. Ella Barnwell.
It's such an excellent way to promote other things other than iPads and mobile phones and everything to get the kids involved and interested.
Absolutely overwhelmed, thrilled to bits that I'm here accepting this award tonight on behalf of Ffwrnes Gymnastics Club and Carol, our head coach.
The 2015 Sports Personality of the Year goes to Nigel Owens.
Thanks very much for this award, and I really am truly humbled and privileged and honoured.
One-liners, it's funny one-liners, and obviously he's the best ref in the world, so he deserves the big finals and obviously deserves this award.
And I hope you've had a truly enjoyable and inspiring night, and that 2016, this year, brings an even more successful year for the world of sport and the role Carmarthenshire plays in it. Thank you all, and a very good night.